What's going on, everyone? Today's deep dive is all about building a geo-targeted content checker. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so by the end of this, you'll have a really solid understanding. Let's go. A geo-targeted content checker is a tool that verifies what content websites serve to visitors from different geographic locations. Many websites display different prices, products, language, or even entirely different pages based on the visitor's location. This is critical for price monitoring, SEO auditing, ad verification, and competitive intelligence. Let's start with why you need geo-targeted content checking. Websites customize content by location for several reasons. E-commerce sites show different prices and currencies by country. Streaming services vary their content libraries by region. News sites may show different stories based on location. Advertisers serve different ads to different geos. And search engines return different results based on where you search from. If you're monitoring any of these, you need to see the content as users in those locations see it. The core architecture involves three components. First, geo-targeted proxies that let you appear to be browsing from specific countries or cities. Second, a content fetching system that makes requests through those proxies. And third, a comparison engine that identifies differences between what's served to different locations. For the proxy setup, you need residential proxies with geo-targeting capability. Residential proxies are essential here because data center IPs are often served different content or blocked entirely. Most quality proxy providers let you target by country, and some offer city-level targeting. You rotate through proxies in different target countries to fetch the same URL and compare what comes back. For content comparison, once you've fetched the same page from multiple locations, you need to identify the differences. Common approaches include price extraction, where you pull pricing elements and compare across regions. Content diffing, where you compare the HTML or text content to find variations. Availability checking, where you verify whether products or content exist in each market. And redirect tracking, where you check if certain URLs redirect differently based on location. Some practical use cases. For price intelligence, an e-commerce company can check competitor prices across 20 countries to optimize their own pricing strategy. For SEO monitoring, an agency can verify that their clients' localized pages serve the correct hreflang content to users in each target market. For ad verification, a brand can confirm their ads display correctly in all target markets and aren't being replaced by competitors. And for content compliance, a media company can ensure their geo restrictions are working correctly and content isn't leaking to unauthorized regions. Some best practices. Use residential proxies for accurate results, since data center IPs often trigger different content serving rules. Cache results to reduce proxy bandwidth costs. Run checks at consistent times, since some content varies by time of day. Store historical data to track changes over time. And respect rate limits to avoid getting your proxy IPs flagged. Now for some frequently asked questions. What type of proxy works best for geo-targeted checking? Residential proxies are essential. Data center proxies are often detected and maybe serve different content than real users. Mobile proxies are even better for mobile-specific content verification but cost more. How many locations should I check? It depends on your business needs. For global e-commerce monitoring, the top 10 to 20 markets cover most cases. For ad verification, focus on your active advertising markets. Start with your most important markets and expand as needed. Can I check geo-targeted content without proxies? Some free methods exist, like using Google's cache with a location parameter or browser developer tools to spoof your location. However, these only work for basic checks. For reliable automated monitoring, proxies are necessary. How accurate is geo-targeted content checking? With quality residential proxies, accuracy is very high since you're making requests from real IPs in the target location. The main accuracy concern is that some sites use additional signals beyond IP, like browser language settings or account history. Alright, that's everything for today on building a geo-targeted content checker. We covered a lot of ground, and I really hope this gives you the foundation you need to move forward confidently. Don't forget to check out our other guides at dataresearchtools.com for more in-depth content on related topics. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.